welcome to another video here on my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, then welcome back. Whichever the case may be, if you're not already subscribed, please do me a favor and hit that little red subscribe button. You might as well turn on your post notification bell so every time I upload a new video, you'll get a notification. And while you're at it, you might as well go follow me on Instagram as well. But today I have a very true to my channel video, another unboxing. And to me, this box deserves to be unboxed. It's not a Birkin, it's not a Hermes box, but this is just the kind of box I feel like if you buy something and they put it in this, it deserves to be unboxed. So when I purchased this bag, it was a really super impulse buy. It was like something that I don't know what I was going through that day, but I needed to buy something to get through it, which is like a horrible coping mechanism. But now that I've bought it, I'm not really in love with it, but that's another story. But yeah, so this was an extreme impulse buy. I don't know if it's a super big box. So this is a Christian Louboutin bag. Let me be real with y'all too. I was mispronouncing the Goyard St. Louis tote. For the longest, I was calling it the St. Louis tote, and I own like 3 of them. So I'm kind of low-key embarrassed at myself for not knowing that it's the St. Louis tote. And that would make sense because it's a French brand, a Parisian brand, but yeah. So whatever you call Mr. Red Bottoms, this is a bag from him. So the box itself is a magnetic closure, and then you open up the box. This is a really big box to do an unboxing. Maybe I'll just insert close-ups because, yeah, how can I? So I didn't buy this directly from the Louboutin store. I actually got it at Neiman Marcus. So I'm assuming this is just how all their... Sorry for all that camera movement. It's a really big box. I don't know if all their bags come packaged like that. I don't know if you buy it directly from the store. Does it come packaged a little bit different? So yeah, this is my first bag from Louboutin, and truthfully, it's a nice bag and everything, but I feel like my mom could maybe get more use out of it. So it comes in a dust bag like this. And this is the first type of purse duster that I've seen that actually has like a fitted corner to the bag. Usually they're just regular squares. So that's actually something cool because it's more fitted to the bag. And then, okay, let's just... It's a very beautiful bag, don't get me wrong, but it's just not necessarily my style. I did like it because the bottom, that was like my selling point, the bottom. And I really wanted a white bag because I say this in every purse unboxing video. My goal for 2021 is to buy a bag in every color that I don't have already instead of buying the same colored bags. And I didn't have a white bag, but I don't know what I was thinking. And now I kind of feel like I want the Telfar white bag. I think I would get a lot more use out of it. So I guess this is their version of like a Neverfull or a St. Louis tote, the MCM Elizabeth tote. Basically a big tote that comes with an attached little wristlet insert. There's no name. Actually, there may be a name. well, there's no name tag, so, or style name, maybe on the box, but we're getting ahead of ourselves here. So the receipt is in here. I did pay $15.50 from Neiman Marcus. Another one of like the selling points for me was that the bottom is like the sole of a shoe, like I showed you, but it's also it's hard and rubber like the sole of a shoe. So I feel like a lot of times with like the Goyard St. Louis, basically any Neverfull bag, they don't really have structure on the bottom, and sometimes that's good because it fits more things depending on like the space and size, but sometimes you want your bag to be structured so you don't have things falling over. So that is a good thing about this bag. The inside is all red, so it's like that signature Louboutin red. It has spike details on the handle, and then the pattern is like this, I guess it's just their logo pattern or monogram. Oh my god, and I just noticed this is actually kind of cool. See how I feel like when I unbox things that I buy, I see, well, when I unbox things on camera that I buy, I see things that I didn't see when I bought it because I just rushed and bought it. Like with my little Prada, I didn't really realize that there was red writing on it. So the zipper chain is actually the sole or the bottom of a shoe, which is really cute. That is a really cute detail. I will say they paid a lot of attention to detail with this bag. Okay, so it's called the Cabata Small Calf, and it is in the white pattern, and I paid $15.50 at Neiman Marcus. I live in Bergen County, I shop in Bergen County, so we actually don't pay sales tax on our clothing, accessories, mirrors. I'm not sure what else. It's called the Blue Law, I know that. But so a lot of times it's more beneficial for me to buy bags in Jersey than it is to buy bags in New York because I don't pay any tax. And I feel like a lot of people do that, but at least I live here and do it. So, you know what I mean? Super cute. It has like a hook closure. Overall, it really is a super cute tote. It's really cute for the summertime. I mean, that's why I'm in the market for a white bag, so that I have a white bag for the summer. I feel like when I got home and I looked at it, I think there's something in department store lights and like in the smell in the air vents that just makes you want to buy things and like not really look at them right. Because when I got home and I saw it in my light at home, I was like, I think I thought that that the pattern was like metallic gold and it's a flat gold. And why I would get gold with silver, I'm really not too sure, but I'm gonna blame it on Neiman Marcus's lighting. But my mom thinks it's really cute for the summer for her. She's really into these styles of bags. She likes the Goyard tote that has the sturdy bottom. She doesn't like the St. Louis tote for that reason, because it doesn't have structure in the bottom. So she was like, she would definitely wear it, so she can definitely have it, because she gives me everything I want. It's a really cute bag. I mean, for $15.50 it runs a little cheaper than a Louis Vuitton Neverfull. It runs a lot cheaper than a Goyard St. Louis tote, and it runs a lot more expensive than an MCM Elizabeth tote. If you guys are interested in me comparing basically the totes from all the designer brands that kind of look and have the same feel? Let me know in the comments below, because I can definitely give you my opinion on the pros and cons of each brand's version of a Neverfull. I don't know why I consider every brand's version of it a Neverfull, but I guess because that was the first bag I had like that. So yeah, this is the bag. The wristlet and the little zipper detail really made the bag for me. If you're not new to my unboxings, you know that I do say oftentimes that a lot of times when you're buying these designer luxury bags and you're paying these high prices, it's really in the details what you're paying for. I think I was talking about that with the Louis Vuitton bandeau scarf. But when you pay these prices, like sometimes it seems crazy. You're like, what would make this bag $1,500? And then you look into like the little details of everything, the detail on the zipper pull, the detail on the sole of the, well, the detail on the bottom of the bag. You see all those different things and you're like, okay, that's what it is. It's the details that you're ultimately paying for. So, and I will say, besides this dust bag being fitted for a purse, this is probably the most durable designer dust bag I've ever felt. The only designer dust bag I've never felt is an Hermes dust bag. That's a lie, I have. This really to me is like, I don't know, I feel like this is the best designer purse dust bag that I've ever come across. It's just, it's made of a different material, but the inside is soft like the other ones, but the outside is a little harder. And then I love that it's fitted. So this is really key, because nothing bothers me more than when I watch videos and people have like their bags. I don't know if people just put their bags out for display, like for that video, but if people store their bags without the dust bags, like I don't get it. I really don't get it. You want to preserve the bag, whether you are going to resell the bag, never resell the bag, whatever the case. I mean, it comes with a dust bag to protect the bag. So I really like, that's the one thing when I see that in videos or pictures, I'm like, why isn't it in a dust bag? Even if it's in like a glass enclosure, I just feel like all your bags should be in a dust bag. And after I did my last unboxing video, I got like 3 or 4 messages about doing a purse closet tour. And I definitely want to do that, but since I do keep all my purses in dust bags, what I think I want to do is take like little Polaroids of what each bag is, so that I can store it in a container in the dust bag and have the picture on the outside so I know what I'm looking at. Because I don't want to open a closet and just see all my bags not in their dust bag. Like that would be like seeing my dog outside in the cold and the rain. Like that's their homes, in the dust bag. This is a very risky move. Do not try this at home. So the candle I have burning in the background today is a Sands Paws candle. So that candle is from the company Sand and Fog, which I had seen on Kirah Ominique's vlog, that she was like, every time I see these in TJ Maxx or Marshalls, I have to pick them up because they're great smelling candles. So this one had dogs on the outside, and it's like a pet neutralizing odor candle, but it's also strawberry mimosa scented. It is the best candle. So if you're at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, you know how when you walk through the little checkout line, they be having the candles. If you see Sand and Fog, Sand and Paws, make sure you pick you up one. You will not regret it. It's a step up from Bath and Body. I'm sorry, I had to say it. It's true. But thank you so much for watching another unboxing here on my channel. Hopefully you've already hit that red subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you love these unboxings. I love reading that you guys do love these unboxings, because I say it every single video, I just love unboxing purses. So definitely make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. Also make sure you're following me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next video.